In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a slam effect on iMessage. This is a fun way to add some flair and excitement to your messages, whether you're sharing good news, making a playful jab, or just want to add a little drama to your conversations. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and you're on the home screen. What you'll want to do is locate the Messages app icon, the one with the green speech bubble. Go ahead and tap on that to open it up. Once you're in the Messages app, the next step is to enter a conversation. This could be a chat you already have ongoing, or you can start a new one by selecting a contact or group. Just make sure you're in a conversation view where you can type a message. Now that you're ready to type, think about what message you want to send. It could be something simple like boom, or maybe listen to this, or anything that you feel deserves a bit of added emphasis. Type your message into the text box at the bottom of the screen. The magic starts when you're ready to send. Instead of just tapping the send arrow, you're going to press and hold it. That's right, place your finger on the blue upward arrow next to your typed text and keep it there. This action will bring up the Send with Effect menu. It's like opening a secret door to a world of messaging magic. You'll notice there are two tabs at the top, Bubble and Screen. Make sure the Bubble tab is selected. That's where the slam effect is waiting for you. Now in the list of available effects under Bubble, look for Slam. It's right there, just waiting to give your message some punch. Tap on Slam and watch the preview. You'll see your message fly onto the screen with a satisfying slam, sure to catch your recipient's attention. If you're happy with how it looks, which I'm sure you will be, the final step is to tap the send arrow again, but this time just a quick usual tap. And there you have it. Your message is sent with a slam effect, and it's sure to make your conversation a little more lively. And that's all there is to it. Sending a slam effect on iMessage is a simple way to add some drama and flair to your digital communication. Remember, you can use this effect anytime you want to make an impression or add a bit of fun to your conversations. Give it a try the next time you're texting. You'll love the response you get. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.